Well, good morning. We made it back from Maine and we had a little fender bender on the way up there on 95 going north. I was in the left lane passing somebody and the gentleman drifted over into my lane. Tried to get over. I was on the rumble strip almost to the guardrail and I didn't just have enough to get away. I tried flooring it to get out of his way and you can see it caught my rear quarter panel. Broke my tailpipe off there, as you can see. Not happy about that for sure, but it did some damage, as you can see. And I did get an estimate. It was about for $3,900. Problem is these panels aren't available, so that will have to be repaired. Of course, the body work will have to be done to this and have to blend the whole quarter panel back in. So turns out it does have a dent in the bumper there. It's not horrible, but it is a dent where his tire also rubbed. You can see where the tire hit there. I scrubbed the tires off. There was a mark on the tire where he had bounced the tire and then just kind of right down. You know, this is one of those things that people don't understand. These vehicles are 22 years old. You don't find them in this kind of shape. And not to brag, not to get on my high horse, but this vehicle is in very good condition for 365,000 miles. We drive it 25,000 miles a year. You can see there's no rust anywhere on the doors. All of the rocker panels are super clean, no rust. The truck is really in mint condition. It does have high miles and it is old, but you can't find them like this. They're very hard, and when you do, they're $25,000–$30,000. But just wanted to do a little video and show you. And like I said, this is clean. It's in good condition. No rips, no tears, no dents, no anything. Well, there is a little baby ding right there. But yeah, this kind of breaks my heart because now got to get body work done, paint work done, and once you do that, really things are never the same. It's a shame, but I mean, stuff does happen. We do drive a lot, so you know, the more you're out there, the more chances you have. I told Denise, I said the only thing that probably could have prevented this, maybe if I had the air horns. I was laying on the horn, but he couldn't hear me. The horns aren't very loud on an excursion. If I had an air horn, maybe he would have heard me. And you know, really, if I had more power, you know, I was already going, you know, 70 plus, and speed limit's 75, I believe, on the main turnpike, 70 or 75. And you know, I just didn't have enough to get out of the way. We were already on the top of our RPM range cruising, and I floored it, and just luckily he didn't hit the whole side of the truck, because we saw him coming over and I started laying on the horn and getting over to the left, and he didn't hear the rumble strip, obviously, and I was within probably a foot, maybe 2 foot from the guardrail on the other side, and I wasn't going to go into the guardrail. So it was almost like the way it happened. I don't know if you're familiar with the pit maneuver that the police do at high speeds. That's basically what it was like. They hit the right rear quarter panel, right rear bumper at high speeds, and it spins them out. The whole truck jumped. Luckily we didn't lose control at that speed, but yeah, it was just, luckily it was a glancing blow, but still enough to do damage. So just wanted to show you our little mishap, and it is what it is, and we got to get it fixed, unfortunately. And we lost the marker light there too. I guess from the impact it just popped off. But so all right, well, everybody pray for the excursion. We'll get her back perfect again, because that's what we do. And remember, if you like this content, like and subscribe.